Ogai mar Obila Gilbert Masengeli wuok oko kendo kwayo apisas mag Obila mondo omi onyal chwalo tijegi yonido makare ne oganda ma pacho kaendi, kendo gik ma bende oyango ni jopiny kaachiel kod josiasa osebedo ka ochung' motegno mar neno ni tesend Obila koro ni to nyal ger e pacho kaendi kendo gibedo e yonido mano makare. Masengeli ne owacho magi ka nido mano ma Machakos, kuma bende ne okwayo apisas mag Obila mondo omi nyal tiyo yonido makare kaka yonido mano mar duoko lwedo ne moko kuom jotelo ma bende osebedo ka chung' motegno e neno ni chenro kaachiel kod tesende mag Obila onyal ger e yonido makare.
Please join me so that we don't leave you behind. So our chief guest today with the members.
The commissioning of these new offices is more than opening of a building. It is strengthening of our presence, our capability, and our commitment to serve the people of Kenya. These offices symbolize our resolve to bring security services closer to the people. They enhance accessibility, improve coordination, and create an enabling environment for our officers to discharge their duties with professionalism, efficiency, and dignity. Security, after all, is most effective when it is present, responsive, and trusted by the community it serves. As the National Police Service, our mandate remains clear: to safeguard lives and property, critical infrastructure, and support national administration to ensure stability across all the regions. This facility strengthens our ability to deliver on the mandate through better deployment, improved response times, and stronger community engagement. But infrastructure alone is not enough. It must be matched with the discipline and integrity for that purpose.